Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can unzip the WordPress zip file. So let's get right into it. Now, the zip file that you get from WordPress is usually just the installation if you want the PC standalone version. Of course, you might have additional plugins, additional tools you might want to download, and additional clients as well, possibly even information from your own site on WordPress. If you made it on the internet, you might be able to download it as a zip file, which you can then extract to your desktop or to your computer. Usually that goes with products like cPanel, where you can then download the entire contents of your site through a zip file, and then you can extract it. Now, I'll be showing you guys just how you can do this on the standalone PC download. Of course, it's pretty much the same for every zip archive you download. You just need to go and download that actual zip archive. I'll just go and download the WordPress here, and as you'll see, the zip archive in the top right is downloading. Once that downloads, that should be pretty much all you need to do, and once that downloads, you just need to extract it. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds for that to download, and once it does, you just need to locate it in your downloads and use a program such as 7-zip, WinRAR. I do recommend 7-zip since it is free, and just extract it using its own functionality. You could open it up, and then once you open it up, use the extract function within the program itself, or you can right click it and use the shortcut to actually extract it wherever you want. Now, there are a couple of different things you can do. You can extract it directly into the directory where it's at. You can extract it into a specific directory you create, or you can just do whatever else you might want with it. Specify a certain route or a certain route where you want to extract it to. So yeah, it completely depends on your wishes, and it should be done right about now. So it's at 28%. There we go. So I'll just open up the folder, and here it is, and all you have to do is just right click and go into 7-zip, and then you can extract files, which will open up a menu to configure it. Extract here to extract it into the downloads directory, or you can extract to and the file name of the archive, and that's going to create a new file with the same name where it's going to extract all the contents. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.